Okay, so you're going to be working on your Because of Winn-Dixie Chapter 1 and 2 activity sheet. So obviously, hopefully we know how to do multiple choice questions. So you're going to read the question and then circle which answer you think is right. With number 5, it says draw a picture of what took place in the grocery store. So draw a rough little sketch. We're not pulling out crayons and colored pencils and all that stuff to show what happened in the grocery store. So think about the main big thing that happened in the grocery store and kind of draw a scene of what happened. This one, you need to have at least one full sentence. So how does the reader know chapter 1 is told in first person point of view? Okay, so first person means the person who's telling it is the person who the story is also about. Okay, so it's first person point of view. So when you tell a story about something that happened to you, it would be first person. So how do we know from chapter 1? So you can look back in your book. Okay. Number 4, it needs to have at least another full sentence. What metaphor did Opal use to describe the preacher? Look back in chapters 1 and 2 and find that metaphor. Another multiple choice question. Another multiple choice question as well. And then when you flip over the first page, you get a settings page that looks like this. And you're going to have at least one full sentence for each of these. Okay. So the location where the story takes place. Look back on your Google slide or look back in your book. Where does the story take place? Where's the location? Write a sentence. Okay. Time the story takes place. So she does tell you like the time of day and what time of the year it is when this takes place. So look back in your book if you need to in chapter 1 and 2 to see when that is. What is the importance of the setting? So what is so important of the setting? Think about the title of the book. Think about, what grocery store they are at, okay? So what's the importance of the settings of chapter 1 and 2? Chapter 1 and 2 is what we're thinking about, okay? And then the mood and the tone or the atmosphere of the setting. What was the mood of the setting? Like, what were the people feeling in that time? And you can use more than one sentence for this one. You can say what Opal was probably feeling, maybe what Winn-Dixie was feeling. Think about all the other people that were there, what they were feeling. Okay, so the mood or the tone of the set. Then, on this other page that I have for you to work on, you're going to think about Winn-Dixie. And you're going to write me at least 4 physical traits. Okay, 4 physical traits. And physical means what he looks like. So things like, when we talk about physical traits, we talk about height and eye color and hair color and all those things. So what he looks like. And then you're going to write at least 4 personality traits. So how does that person, what is their personality like? Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they outgoing? Or are they playful? At least 4 personality traits. Okay? And you should be really good with this because of your adjectives. You should know some really good adjectives to put on there. And then which trait causes Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie? What trait, physical or personality-wise, wants Opal to really wants to adopt Winn-Dixie? So write me one good sentence about what personality trait or physical trait makes Opal want to adopt Winn-Dixie. She says for sure in the chapters why she wants to adopt him. When you're done with this, then you can hold on to it and we will go over it tomorrow. Okay?